Hello friends, and welcome to episode 6 in our 8-part series, 2 Minutes to Your Financial Plan. Last week we talked about preparing for the unexpected and the importance of doing that. This week we'll talk lightly about Social Security and Medicare. It's far too complex a concept to cover in 2 minutes. There are really 3 elements, as I see it, in a financial plan that you really need to understand. The first is debts, how to pay for those debts or limiting debts. The second is having a predictable stream of income. And third is how to cover your medical costs. Now, when it comes to a predictable stream of income, we view it as the air you need to breathe to live. Everything ancillary is kind of like food. You can last for weeks on end without food, but you need air immediately. And so we need to figure out exactly how much money do you need in a sustainable and predictable fashion to have a successful retirement plan. And then medical costs, both in regular checkups and predictable payments, and also preparing for the unexpected there as we age and grow older. So the first being Social Security. If you haven't already done so, go to ssa.gov, create a login, and see where you stand currently. At a minimum, you need to have worked 40 quarters of time in order to qualify for Social Security, about 10 years. And so through that site, you can see, based on your work history, your income history, at full retirement age, at the earliest age, you can take Social Security age 62, or the latest age 70, and get a feel for just how much you would have in retirement. Beyond that, the website has a lot of information you can look around at. There are many, many options to cover you and a spouse and children in the case of death and disability. And it's worth knowing and understanding. And of course, we can help you with that along the way. The second then is Medicare. There are several parts to Medicare. You've heard, I'm sure, of Part A, Part B, Part C, and Part D. Are the most well-known. Those cover doctor visits, hospital visits, ancillary care, and drug prescription coverage. And so at medicare.gov, you can also take a look at that site and familiarize yourself with it. There are certain dates you need to have made some decisions and start planning by. So I encourage you to take a look at those 2 sites. So as you can see, I'm well over 2 minutes today, but it's a very complex issue. And as always, look above for the links. I'll post the links to Social Security, Medicare, and also to our website. If we can be of help or service, please feel free to reach out. So everyone, take care, be well, and I'll talk to you soon.